giving my kayak a wash. Hi guys, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. My name is Sharon and I welcome you all to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And I'd like to welcome my new subscribers and send a big YouTube hug out to my regular subscribers. I really do appreciate you supporting me. So, like I said, today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn. And her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. I thought I might do is haul my kayak out of the trailer and see if it needs to be washed down and if it has any spiders in it. So I'm going to get the spiders out from inside the kayak. Okay, let's get this kayak out. There it is in the trailer. Making a film. Okay, I got my kayak out. And it's kind of dirty. It's an old kayak. And I want to clean up in there, make sure there's no spiders. And I'm going to give it a good wash down with some soap and Dawn dish soap. I mean with some water and Dawn dish soap. The little cubby is dirty and that just needs a wash down. So we'll do that. Okay, I've got my bucket, my mop and my rag. And the hose is turned on. So I'm going to get busy and just wash the whole thing down. I think I'll flip it over and do the bottom first. Well, the water and the Dawn dish soap is doing really good. It's really getting my kayak very, very clean, and I'm really cleaning up inside the front of my kayak and getting all the spiders out. Sorry all you guys that love spiders, but I got bit one year at the top of my leg and it got infected, and boy, it was not fun. So I'm making sure that there's no spiders up in there. So now we're moving to the back and I'm gonna clean out that cubby hole, and we'll just get this kayak nice and clean. I'd like to invite you at this time to please subscribe to my video and give me a thumbs up if you like this content. And don't forget to watch the other ladies. They do lots of different tiny tidies and you'll get lots of motivation. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to theirs. Enjoy watching. Okay, we got it pretty much scrubbed out, and I have to flip it up, stand it up so it'll all drain, and I'll probably spray it again, and then we'll let it dry. So now, I'm going to move to hubby's bike. It didn't get covered when we left. So everything is sticky. This is my bike. Yeah, this is my bike. The red bike's mine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's my bike that got all sticky. Okay, my mistake. It's my bike that got all sticky, so I'm going to wash it down and get the sticky off. Didn't do it the other day, and we'll have to wash this off good. This one was underneath, so it's fine. My mirror is sticky. So, get back up here, wash it off. Give my seat a good scrub. Make sure it's covered up when we get home. Okay. Good. I'm not talking to myself.
Oh, that's fine.
I do YouTube videos, so
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing a video.
Okay.
So I kind of like to explain to people I'm not really crazy.
Yeah. That's all good. Okay, well, you have yourself a good week.
Thank you. You too. Don't work too hard.
Oh, just a couple more months, weeks or so.
Yeah. Okay, I got my bike all cleaned off, and we're gonna go for a bike ride pretty soon. So that should be good. Now I have to stand my kayak up. Guess I'll stand it up against the trailer. So the higher it is, the better it drains. And we'll just let all that water drain out. I'll spray it again. And make sure we get the suds all out. Okay. There. Move them up. In the bucket. Forgot to wipe my helmet off. It's not bad. For sticky. Oh, it's ready to go. Okay, let's get the kayak. Can you see the kayak? No. Changed my mind. Decided I'd lean it up against the trailer. It's high enough. The water should come out of it. Give it one more spray off.
These guys are gone already?
Yep.
Seat sticky yet?
Huh?
Is your seat sticky?
Yeah, a bit. I already cleaned it. And there we have it. So, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. Thanks again, Sunday Dawn. And there's always several other people who do tiny tidies. And they will be in my comments as usual. So there will be a list there for you to watch. And I'm so happy I got my kayak cleaned and my bike cleaned off. So now I can go for a bike ride. And hopefully this week sometime we'll take the kayaks out. Should be lots of fun. We're going to go back out to the Milk River ravine and paddle around there. Okay, so take care. And don't forget to watch the other ladies and subscribe. So we'll see you in my next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Well, I thought I'd just stick this little video in here because it's the start of our bike ride, and that's what we did after I cleaned the boat. And right now we're just right inside the RV park, and we ride on the road right to the gate where we go out and get on the trail. And it's a beautiful ride. You can see all the stuff that I posted before. And we just ride right down this little road here. And it comes to a gate. And we just walk out through the gate and get onto the trail. So tomorrow I will post a video on the ride, and you can see what we do, where it goes, and what it's like. So thanks for watching. Okay, take care, and thanks again for your time. Bye.